I've seen a flat battery with more life in it than you. You can do better than that. Gerard has got a 3-legged horse less lame than that. You want to see some damage?
Yes!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of Wolverhampton, the louder you cry, the higher we fly. The crazier you go, the crazier we'll go. Right now, thank you very, very much for being patient while we get the car set out. And without any further delays, we bring you the monster trucks. Hear the music.
Welcome aboard the Starship on the air for our first passenger flight to Venus. Ready for countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what you can hear there is a roar of nearly 1,000 horsepower. 2 big block jet engines, 7.5 litre. Fastened to those 3-speed automatic gearboxes. Crucial in a monster truck because we use 2 hands to steer. 1 hand on the steering wheel and 1 hand on the rear steering. And as I said earlier, Big Pete is unique in the world. The only proper monster truck in the world which allows me to take passengers for rides. And of course I abuse this position. And joining me up here in the car is one of the pretty young ladies that rides for Gerard's horse team. Gerard improves his Devil's Horseman, a young lady by the name of Emily. Yes, you see, I remembered. I like to scare Gerard's staff. So here we go. First thing we're going to do, for you ladies and gentlemen, the drag race. 2 monster trucks, flat out across the arena. Drag racing is where we come from, back home in Yorkshire. Sam and I live on a drag strip in York, where we have our own drag racing cars. So, this is how it works. I say, are you ready? You give me a nice loud countdown. 3, 2, 1. And when you say 1, we go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Wolverhampton, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Sam wins the drag race there, hands down, no problem. Okay, so what we're going to do now is get Big Pete down into 4-wheel drive and into what we call cruise mode. Now this halves the speed of the truck, but doubles the amount of torque that the engine puts down through the wheels. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the fun part. For me, I absolutely love this. Get your cameras ready, because we're about to pull this car in half. Now, think on, because when I say make some noise, I will be watching everybody around this arena. When it comes to the crush, I want everybody to make some noise. If you don't, I will follow you to your cars, and Sam and I will do to your cars what we're about to do to this poor little car out here in the arena. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, grandparents, take your teeth out. I want to hear you make some noise. And I'm watching you. Do you want to see the car coming off? Here we go. Remember, 3, 2, 1. And when you say 1, we go. Wolverhampton. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! Oh, it's coming off! Now the winner of the tug of war is the person who ends up with the biggest pizza car. And right now, loser! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's the fun part over with. God, I know how hot Tony must have been down there with his backside on fire. Because right now, up here, Emily and I in these 5-layer fireproof racing suits. It's a bit warm, isn't it, love? Right, here we go. This is the serious part. First of all, I'm going to get my victim, story and passenger, strapped in. So, on with the helmet first. This is a total and utter abuse of my position, ladies and gentlemen. I'm working on another member of the team coming in with me tomorrow, one of the Devil's Horsemen's most longest serving riders, Mr. Cox. If you're out there and if you're listening, I want you tomorrow. Okay, here we go. On with the helmet, on with the neck brace. Neck brace designed to slow down the whiplash effect, although every single Monday morning, can you breathe? Just. Right. Now, down with the harnesses, feet against the bulkhead, remember keep the tongue. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my passenger strapped in. Right now, I'm going to get myself strapped in to the 5-point harness. 2 straps go over your shoulders. 2 straps across your back. And the most important and painful strap of all, the crotch strap, comes up through a hole in the seat right between your legs. Less of a problem for you, love, trust me. And it's the crotch strap that keeps you in the seat. Hang on to that for me. I'm all at 67. Here we go. Off with the hat. On with the neck brace. We're going to get lined up over the cars. Twice each. Remember. The louder you cry, the higher we fly, the crazier you go, the crazier we go. Yeah. Any last words? No. Okay, so right now, ladies and gentlemen, I start to take my directions from Peter the man on the ground. There are 2 jobs left to do now that we're strapped in. First of all, we run gently into the front of the cars, making sure that they're exactly level. Watch your 2 front wheels come up together and go down together. That's good. Secondly, we do an approach at speed right now. Peter's watching down the line of the truck, making sure that the front wheels and the rear wheels are following each other. Feels good, looks good. Again, thumbs up from Peter. Ladies and gentlemen, the reason Peter is there, right now, I cannot see the strap cars. Ask Emily when you see her this afternoon, she'll verify. I have no idea where those cars are. Fans are on, temperature's good, oil pressure's good. I've got a pretty lady sitting beside me. We're good to go. Wolverhampton, I want to hear you. Do you want to see some damage? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, here we go. cars the first time, you can get a little bit more engine in the harnesses. Crucial that the harnesses are as tight as possible right now. Sam's ready to go with the Grim Reaper. We're testing out some okay? So, as Peter guides him into the people who's new, I am blocking, I am sorry, please get to where you can stand. Trust me, this truck is parked between you and the line of Grim Reaper's fire in case anything goes wrong, so that I can intercept that truck. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thumbs up from Sam, thumbs up from Peter. What about you, Wolverhampton? Do you want to see Grim Reaper fly? Yeah!